Welcome to our new video today, which is regard how to install Windows 10 and how to create the image on USB drive. First thing, we will write in Google Windows 10. Then onward, we will go to the Microsoft website. Then we'll find the first result is download Windows 10 disk image ISO file. We'll click on that. Onward, when we reach to this website, then we under create Windows 10 installation media, we'll click download tool now. Then save. Then open. Yes. Now Windows 10 setup is opening. He's say getting a few things ready. Okay, we accept the agreement. Now he giving two options, whether direct upgrade this PC now or create installation media, USB flash, for example, for another PC. So we will click on the second option and click next. Usually this is the general recommended options. So language should be English, United States, edition Windows 10, architecture 64-bit. If you want to change, you can change. Okay, but usually this is the recommended options, so we'll proceed with that. Next. Now we're asking choose which media to use, so we will choose USB flash drive. Okay, then click next. We will insert a big enough flash drive. For example, now I'm using 16 GB flash drive. He automatically can found it. Removable drives. Okay, now drive is E. Okay, so I will choose it, then click next. Okay, now he's downloading Windows 10. Now it's complete. Now he's verifying the download. Done verifying. Now he's creating Windows 10 media, which is creating the USB that we have now. He's creating the Windows 10 on the USB drive that we have. Now progress is complete. He said your USB flash drive is ready. E drive. You just click finish. And now we are done with phase 1. So let's move to phase 2 installation process for Windows 10. Thank you. Now we'll click F12. Okay, onward. We will choose the USB drive that we have, which is for this situation Kingston Data Traveler 3 partition 1 UEFI. Okay, then we'll click next. Now we will do two windows. Now we will start with phase 2. Now the Windows USB is loading. So we'll click, choose the options, the language that we need. For now, English United States okay. English United States okay. Keyboard is US is okay. Okay. We click next. Then click install now. Here, if we have a product key, we can insert. If we don't have, we can insert it later, so no problem. We click I don't have a product key for now. Then proceed. We will choose the version that we need. For me now, for this situation, the highest version I have is Windows 10 Pro N. Okay, 64-bit. Okay, next. We will accept the license. Okay. Then here we will not click upgrade because we are in a new installation. We'll click custom install Windows only. Okay. For this option, you just click next. You don't have to do any drive partitioning or anything. We'll just choose the drive that we need and click OK. Then we just click next. Or if this hard disk also is not available there or it's not there, we just click next. Like this situation, he will automatically create the drives that we need and the partitions that we need. Okay. Just a hint, when you're creating a new partition, for example like this one, okay, don't delete the other partitions that you have data on them. Don't delete the other partition that you have data on them. Okay, so just choose which drive that you want to install on that drive, then click next. Or for this example, if you are a new installation and you don't have any hard disk or any drive or anything, you just click next. Automatically he will make a partition for you. Now Windows is installing. Now Windows is restarting automatically. Okay, now he's asking for the language or the region United States, or you can choose your country, no problem. Yes. The keyboard is US, for me it's fine. Okay, yes. If you want to add other languages, you can add. Okay, for me I will skip. Okay, now he's asking if we want to use for personal use or set up for an organization. So we'll click personal use and click next. Okay, now he will ask, okay, for this one, if you have an online account with Microsoft, then you can insert. If no, then we will choose offline account. Then we'll click limited experience. Okay. Then now we will choose the name for this PC, for example, test. Click next. Password, test. For example, confirming the password, test. Okay, next. Security question. Can choose any question. Okay. Second question. Okay, for here you just click accept, or you can choose what options you want to be offline, what you want to be online. For me, I will click accept. Okay, we can customize by choosing, or we can skip. For me, I'll just skip. Okay, Cortona, not now. Okay, now he's asking for the network. Do you want to allow this PC to be discoverable on the network? Depending on your situation. For me, I'll click no. Okay. And now, congratulations, the Windows 10 is complete setup. So we can continue with other videos that from our channel, which is how to prepare your Windows your PC after installation, how to install drivers, okay, how to install programs. Okay, wish you all the best of luck. Thank you, have a nice day.